Today I'll be showing you how to add music in your Instagram notes. So let's get started. So here we are, and what we're gonna do first is that we're gonna go into Play Store. So if you are in iOS, then you would be going to your App Store. And from here, what we're gonna do is go search right here, and we're gonna search for Instagram. So let's type Instagram right here. And there it is. There is that Instagram app right here. So if you don't have Instagram installed in your phone yet, you would want to click on download or tap on it. Or if you have an update button right here, instead of open, you want to update your Instagram first. So in that way, you would have the music feature in your Instagram notes. So just to make sure that you don't miss any updates, you need to go here into Play Store instead of just simply opening it from your home screen. So once you're here, once you have updated or downloaded the Instagram app, you want to tap on install. Now that we are here in Instagram, what we're going to do is tap on the messenger icon at the top right of our screen. And from here, we would see all the messages and all the notes that is right here. So from here, what we're going to do is go tap on your profile picture right here. It says your notes. So you want to tap on that. And from here, we can share our notes right here, as you may already know, and you would have that music icon just below my profile picture, and that is the button that you would need to tap. And from there, once you tap it, you would be able to select your music, just like when you're adding music into your Instagram story. And that's basically how simple it is. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.